Volunteers with the Audubon Society work tirelessly to protect birds and their habitats in our region. So many birders say they were surprised by a national study released last week that showed birds are vanishing from our skies at an alarming rate. So what can you do to help? Channel 3's Kelly O'Brien reports.
This isn't a surprise to us, but at the same time, it's kind of eye-opening to see that it's not just those really rare birds that we hear about a lot.
A study released by Cornell University conservation scientist Kenneth Rosenberg shows that the wild bird population has dropped 29% since 1970.
The decline that they're talking about in the study is an actual decline in the birds. So we are losing these birds.
That means they're not just relocating, but they're dying. Shelley Sehan is president of the Northern New York Audubon. She said it's not one kind of bird that's vanishing, but a plethora. Birds home to our region and afar.
Very common ones that you'll see at your bird feeders, robins and finches, things like goldfinch you'll see at your feeders around here, or purple finch you'll find at your feeders around here, but also starlings, red-winged blackbirds that are in the marshes everywhere around here.
Sehan said this is not a new problem, but the study has brought it to light. Now people are asking questions of how they can help.
They recommend 7 steps.
That list ranges from switching the kind of coffee you drink because coffee farms destroy bird habitat, to using less plastic because birds are eating it and dying, and to not let your cat outdoors.
Walk your cat on a leash, as silly as it sounds, or try to keep your cats indoors so they aren't killing our songbird population.
A study from 2015 shows that cats kill 2.6 billion birds each year, 214 million dead from car collisions, and 624 million dead from windows.
Try to make your windows not as reflective if you can. Put screens on the outsides of your windows so they don't seem as reflective for the birds not to hit them.
She said citizens can also check in on bird populations.
Christmas bird counts happen every year, and also great backyard bird counts.
That's where groups go out for the day and count the birds they see, so organizations like Cornell University can collect the data. New York State is also stepping up to monitor the population.
We're lucky because New York State has a breeding bird atlas happening next year, and that will be a big count of all the birds that are breeding in New York State for ongoing monitoring of what's happening in our area.
Birds are a vital part to an ecosystem. They pollinate and spread seeds. So Sehan said this is a problem everyone should be concerned about.
By losing the birds, our entire ecosystem is going to change.
In New York, Kelly O'Brien, Channel 3 News.